what do we actually need to do? How do we build and how do we innovate within Azure itself? So really the first point of call is to look at the modern application challenge, and basically how this has evolved over time is that most applications are non-static anymore. So you don't have a static website or static web application. Most are something that's all often evolving on a daily basis to meet the needs of your organization, meet the needs of your customers, and meet the needs of your users. And there's much greater expectations on applications themselves. So they're no longer just a static public repository that you update now and again. It's something that's live, it's something that's holistic, something that's moving all the time. And the key thing that your users and your customers are going to be expecting now is they're going to be expecting fast, fluid, and reliable experiences. Anything that stops them doing their job is going to hurt the organization's bottom line. They're going to expect quick functionality and content updates. They're going to expect to use it across multiple platforms and be able to engage with your applications across multiple platforms. And they're also going to expect fast and intelligent customization. They're going to expect the ability to be able to mold that application to the way that they work and the way that organization works. And also there's a key drive, obviously now with authentication, identity, and sensitive data handling. It's going to be an expectation that applications are able to meet the needs from a governance perspective for organizations, but also they're going to expect new ways to interact with customers. So whether that's the ability to interact directly with customers through the application, or at least share data points in a safe and secure way with customers. So those are the new challenges. There's a huge amount of expectations. I feel sorry for developers and people that are obviously within that application space, because the new challenge to them is how to meet all of these expectations. So in terms of how you do that, obviously you can achieve more with Azure. So you can achieve more with regards to quality of service and making sure that you're providing that higher level of service to your end customer, whoever that might be. So guaranteed SLAs within Azure, for example, from a performance perspective. Flexible scaling and automation means that performance is not hindered. Reliability is there. They're always going to be able to access that application when they need to. And that's something obviously that Azure can significantly help with. Integration with various data points, so pre-built components and connectors that are already built by Microsoft in Azure. So whether that's connecting to your modern workplace experience, for example, whether that's connecting to cloud or on-premise solutions as a centralized data pool, for example, for hybrid solutions, all of those things are enabled within Azure completely out of the box. From a security perspective, stay up to date and comply with all the regulations as we've already mentioned, as well as making sure privacy, so GDPR, for example, are adhered to. That's all something that's easily obtainable within Azure. And then agility, being able to use something like Azure DevOps, for example, being able to use various tooling to respond to end users, whether that's monitoring, whether that's the introduction of new functionality and new content. That agility comes again as standard with tools